Hello, I'm Liyon. I'm part of GrainEd Multiverse camp. My session is about book writing, and specifically fiction writing. How many of you would like to write a book like Arundhati Roy's The Ministry of Utmost Happiness? This session is for you. Or maybe 10 Keys to Reality. Right now I'm reading this book, Frank Wilczek's winner of Nobel Prize in Physics. Fundamentals, 10 Keys to Reality. A book like this, or short stories of Kafka. If this sounds interesting, this session is for you. It could be short stories, a collection of short stories books. Maybe you want to write a collection of short stories. Maybe you want to write a novel or a collection of poems, or a scientific fiction, or a crime thriller. This is for you. Thank you.